Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about Digicam versus Lightroom versus Darktable, which photo editing software is better in 2025. In 2025, the competition between Digicam, Lightroom and Darktable continues to offer photographers a diverse range of choices depending on their workflow, experience level and budget. Adobe Lightroom remains the industry standard for professionals and enthusiasts due to its seamless integration with the Adobe ecosystem, AI-powered enhancements, advanced raw processing, and mobile support. With its subscription model, Lightroom offers cloud syncing across devices and powerful organizational tools, making it ideal for photographers who need speed, consistency, and powerful editing on the go. However, the subscription cost may still be a deal breaker for budget-conscious users. Darktable, an open source alternative, has matured significantly in 2025. It's especially favored by Linux users and those looking for a free, professional-grade RAW editor. Darktable offers non-destructive editing, excellent color grading tools, and a modular interface that appeals to advanced users who enjoy full control over their workflow. While the learning curve can be steep compared to Lightroom, it rewards users with immense flexibility and no cost. Digicam, on the other hand, is less of a traditional editor and more of a comprehensive photo management solution with editing capabilities. It's perfect for users dealing with large photo libraries and wanting powerful tagging, metadata editing, facial recognition, and batch processing tools. While its editing features aren't as deep as Lightroom or Darktable, it shines in cataloging, organization, and archiving. In 2025, Digicam continues to be a reliable tool for photo archivists and users who prioritize image management over advanced photo manipulation. In conclusion, Lightroom is the best choice for photographers seeking polished results, speed, and integration across devices, but at a cost. Darktable offers a fantastic free alternative for those who value flexibility and manual control. Digicam is ideal for users who need powerful photo organization with basic editing. The best tool in 2025 depends on whether you prioritize cost, editing power, or library management.